So in this video, I'm going to introduce DataHive AI. DataHive AI is a deepin project built on Solana Blockchain. So if you are seeing this video today, you are super early to join this project. Now this is their S account, and look at what they said here. They say that DataHive AI is building the world's largest decentralized data network for AI. And they said here, our mission is to unlock real-world, ethically sourced, high-quality data by connecting millions of users' devices into one global data layer that powers the next generation of ethical AI. So the link will be in the video description. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to register. So once you click on the link, it's going to redirect you to the Play Store wherever you have to download. So after downloading the app, you need to log in. It's either you use the Chrome to log in or you log in with your email, whichever one that is suitable for you, you do that. I'm going to log in using my email. Now they have sent me an email. Please check your inbox and follow the link to proceed. I have received the email right now. So I'm going to go to my email and follow the promptings I received. Log into DataHive AI. I'm going to click on login. So you click on this box to agree to their terms and conditions. Then you click on continue. So this is permission. You need to allow permission to your phone. They said, please enable this permission to ensure the app runs smoothly and stay connected. So you need to allow notifications. I need to allow it so that the app can work smoothly. And after that, you click on done. So this is it. And if you, after logging in, you did not receive your bonus, you're supposed to receive a welcome bonus, what you're going to do is just to go to the browser, to mine on the browser devices. You need to connect your devices, and here is where you'll find your referral link. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy my referral link and I'm going to the browser to paste it so that we can connect from there. Now going to your browser. Once you come to your browser, you paste the link here. Once you paste it, you search. Now you are going to click on continue in browser. You put your email or you continue with Google. So I used email initially. I'm going to. So once you sign in through the Chrome, you're going to see your total points. This is your welcome bonus for registering with my referral link. You're going to receive it as well. So here we are going to perform some tasks. You click on these three lines. Once you click on the three lines, you can see referrals. You tap on the referral if it's that what you want, and you will see your referral link. Now if you go back, you can see missions. There's a lot of tasks you are going to do. There's a lot of tasks you are going to do. Now you connect to Amazon, log into your amazon.com account, help us to crop product data, and you're going to receive 500 points. So what you are earning is points. Many people has joined. Just click on this N here and join through your Amazon account. Another one is the Apple Head, where you receive 20,000 points. You do that, you click on N. Then this one, Amazon orders, you receive 15,000, you click on N. And another thing is you need to connect your wallet. You need to connect your wallet. Let's go back. You can now see connect wallet. DataHive AI is built on Solana Blockchain. So make sure you have Phantom wallet. You're going to connect your wallet using Phantom wallet. You click on connect. Now you're going to choose Phantom. Tap on Phantom. So it is not connecting. So what we are going to do is either you copy your URL here, or you go and copy your referral link. Then you go to your Phantom wallet and paste it so that you can easily connect your wallet there. Let's quickly do that as well. So I believe all of us has Phantom wallet. If you don't have Phantom wallet, go to the Play Store and download it so that you can continue with this. Now let me authenticate my app. So once you open your Phantom wallet, this is what you need to do. You locate this browser or this search box. Once you locate it, you click on it. Now you are going to paste that URL you copied or your referral link, you paste it here. Once you paste it, you search. Now you click on continue in browser. You use your email or you use Chrome, that's the Google, or you use email, whichever one. So once you connect your wallet, if you did not connect, you keep trying it, you will definitely connect it. So make sure you connect your Solana wallet. So that is it for this video. The link will be in the video description. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video.